Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0xCAA70010 error code on Office 365 apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the main resolution is to disable modern authorization. So, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft Office 16.0, common and identity. In the right pane, we will create a DWORD 32-bit entry named enable ADAL. It's very easy to remember. Right click new DWORD 32-bit value ADAL. Double click on it, ensure that the value data is 0. Click on OK, restart your computer and problem fixed. But still, if it doesn't help you immediately, then you can try to repair Microsoft Office. Right click, search for Microsoft 365 and then click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down and then click on repair. Then scroll down and click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.